Hello everyone, and this VEDA is day 20, oh my goodness, 6? I never know what day it is. Okay, so this is a weird one. Show us your vacuum cleaner. Here it is. It's a Eureka multi-cyclonic vacuum. We wanted something good for allergies, but we really wanted a Dyson, but can't really afford it. So as you can see, it says proven to clean carpets better than Dyson for less than half the price. So there you go. And I find it's a very good vacuum cleaner. To clean it, you just take this out, and there's a little flick switch on the bottom, and yeah, it has all these little what do you call them? Can't think today. Tools, and I really like it because when you vacuum, like especially hardwood floors, it doesn't flick dirt around. You know how sometimes you vacuum and you feel the pieces of dirt hitting your feet? This doesn't do that. It sucks everything up, which is really cool. So here's the back, some more tools, and yeah, it's a great little machine. So there you have it. And this one was pretty reasonable. We couldn't afford anything expensive. It was like maybe, I don't know, $150 or something. And there you have it. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.